I'm wet and cold. Got a nice orange picker. My last cleanup. It's not a lot. Started backfilling that hole. Yeah, I got completely soaked, so time to head on out of here. Could be the last decent warm day in Ohio. Like highs of 30s for the next 5 or 6 days, so this might be it for the MVP. Getting wet, you know. Oh yeah, y'all wanna see something sweet? Look at these fossils. It's like clay. Oh, it's a millipedes or what? Look. Covered the whole thing. I don't think it's a clay ball. I'm not really sure. All right, y'all. Peace.